Interactive online training on piping and instrumentation diagram. Module 3. Symbology, piping and valves. Following topics to be discussed in this module. 1. Introduction. 2. Piping. 3. Piping instrument line types. 4. Valve types. 5. Connection types. 6. Miscellaneous abbreviations. 7. Quiz. Understanding the P&Ids requires a thorough knowledge on recognizing P&Id symbols and familiarity with letter identification, without which the concept of P&Id generation and interpretation would not be comprehensible. In order to interpret a P&Id, familiarity with all the symbology, terminology, and abbreviations is vital. Whenever a particular project kicks off, all the specifications relevant to design are made available, which also include guidelines on generating the drawings. The guidelines also provide general or specific requirements on using symbology for generating the project drawings by design and drafting department. The letter combinations according to ISA standard S5.1 have been implemented for P&Id symbols. Piping symbols along with other P&Id elements have been described in detail as follows. Pipe with line break, both ends. Pipe with line break, middle. Pipe crossing, non-intersecting. Flow direction arrow. Pipe crossing, intersecting. Flow element, ventral or nozzle. Flow element, orifice plate. Restriction orifice. Flow element, turbine. Magnetic flow meter. Coriolis flow meter. Ultrasonic flow meter. Flow element, quick change orifice plate. Flow run. Coriolis mass flow meter. Flow straight and inclines. Pitot or pitot venturi. Positive displacement meter. Local totaling. Vortex meter. Rotometer. Flow element unclassified. Flange set. Insulating joint. Insulating flange. Noise cartridge. White pipe strainer. White type strainer with valve grain. T-type strainer. Flat type strainer. Basket type strainer. Utility station. Utility station at grade. Utility station on platform. Sample connection. Cone strain or with apex downstream. Cone strain or with apex upstream. Open vent hook type with bird screen. Open vent hook type without bird screen. Open vent with hook. Open vent without hook. Pressure test point. Expansion joint. Inline mixer. Flame arrestor. Flexible hose. Heat tracing. Hot, cold or personnel protection insulated lines. Jacketed line with steam. Union. Spectacle blind closed. Spectacle blind open. Spade blind. Ring spacer. Cap. Plug. Hose connection. Female. Hose connection. Male. Plug. Thread in. Flange with blind flange. Reducer. Concentric. Reducer. Eccentric. Coupling with an EE plug. Piping specification break. Self-draining line. Continuously draining line. Drip, bleed, ring. Barred. Pulsation dampener. Drain. Vent. Unpocketed line. Insulation change. Plume. Field weld. Connection type, size and door tie and number. Corrosion proof plug. Fire hydrant. Fire hydrant with monitor. Hose reel. Piping and instrument line type symbols come in a variety of distinction owing to their prominence and functions on P&Id, as shown below. Main process and equipment lines. Existing lines and equipment. Secondary process lines. Utility lines. Skate edge module limit. Future process lines. Future equipment. Underground lines. Unit battery limit and package limit. Instrument connecting to process. Electrical signal. Serial data link. Instrument pneumatic tubing, gas or air. Instrument capillary tubing. Hydraulic lines. Mechanical link. Non-instrumental tubing. Sonic or radiation line. Internal system link, software, or data link. A valve is a device that regulates, directs, or controls the flow of a fluid, gases, liquids, fluidized solids, or slurries, by opening, closing, or partially obstructing various passageways. The basic valve types can be divided into two general groups. 1. Stop valves. 2. Check valves. Stop valves. Stop valves are used to shut off or In some cases, partially shut off the flow of fluid. Plug valves and needle valves may also be considered stop valves. Stop valves can be divided into four general categories: A. Globe. B. Gate. C. Butterfly. D. Ball. A. Globe valves. Globe valves are used for applications requiring throttling and frequent operations such as sampling valves, which are normally shut except when liquid samples are being taken. Globe valves are not recommended where full unobstructed flow is required. B. Gate valves. Gate valves are used when a straight line flow of fluid and minimum restriction is desired. Gate valves are not suitable for throttling purposes since the control of flow would be difficult due to valve design. C. Butterfly valves. The butterfly valve may be used in a variety of systems. These valves can be used effectively in freshwater, saltwater, lube oil, and chilled water systems. The butterfly valve is relatively quick-acting, provides positive shutoff, and can be used for throttling. D. Ball valves. Ball valves use a ball to stop or start the flow of fluid. When the valve handle is operated to open the valve, the ball rotates to a point where the hole through the ball is in line with the valve body inlet. Ball valves are normally used for seawater, sanitary, trim and rain, air, hydraulic, and oil transfer applications. Check valves. A check valve normally allows fluid, liquid, or gas to flow through it in only one direction. Check valves work automatically and are not controlled by a person or any external control. Gate valve, ball valve, globe valve, plug valve, butterfly valve. Check valve, dual wafer check, piston check, diaphragm valve. Needle valve, multi-port needle valve, multi-port needle valve with ports capped. Relief valve, angle valve, three-way valve, four-way valve, choke valve, angle choke valve. Camper or louver, 5-valve manifold, 3-valve manifold, 2-valve manifold, double block and bleed. piping system. Valve connections are threaded, socket weld, butt weld, flanged. They are represented on the P&Id as below. NPD, NPD, left end, and socket weld, right end. Socket weld, both ends. Flanged, butt weld, both ends. Abbreviations are used on P&Id since specifying complete names or descriptions is not possible due to space limitations and other factors. Below are the ones that are commonly used on P&Id and other engineering documents. ATC, air to close. AG, above ground. ADO, air to open. And auto manual. BL, battery limit. BLDG, building. CC, corrosion coupon. CF, customer furnished. CSO, car seal open. CSC, car seal closed. D, drain. DP, design pressure. DWG, drawing. DD, design temperature. E, voltage signal. EHD, electrical heat tracing. ELEV, elevation. ES, electrical supply. FB, full bore. FC, fail close. 5, fail intermediate. FL, fail last position. FO, fail open. FP, full port. FS, fail safe. FE, full vacuum. FW, field weld. GP, black hole tracing. GOV, gas operated valve. GR, grade. GS, gas supply. HLL, high liquid level. HLL, high liquid level. HOR, horizontal. HP, horsepower, high pressure. HPD, high point. HS, hydraulic supply. HD, heat tracing. ID, internal diameter. ILC, interlock closed. ILO, interlock open. INSP, inspection. IS, inside. LC, lock closed. LLL, low liquid level. LLLL, low liquid level. Low, lock open. LP, low pressure. LPD, low point. LS, liquid seal. Motor, minimum. MW, man weight. MWP, maximum working pressure. MWD, maximum working temperature. SC, normally closed. NIL, normal interface liquid level. NLL, normal liquid level. NF, normally no flow. NO, normally open. NS, nitrogen supply. Odd, outside diameter. OGV, ohmic gauge valves. OSD, open sewer drain. OS, outside. PA, planter. PP, personal protection. PD, pressure test connection. R, resistance signal. RE, reduced bore. RC, ratio controller. RS, removable spool. RSP, remote set point. RTD, resistance temperature detector. RTU, remote terminal unit. SC, sample connection. SG, specific gravity. SL, sequence logic. SP, set point. TYP, typical. SR, stress relief. SS, safety shower. SF, seam to flange. SS, seam to seam. Tan-tan, tangent to tangent. TBC, to be confirmed. TBD, to be determined. TS, general twin seal. UC, utility connection. UCP, unit control panel. UG, underground. Vent. PAC, vacuum. EC, vent connection. Vert, vertical. PF, vendor furnished. Can you recognize the following piping symbols? Pipe crossing, intersecting. Ultrasonic flow meter. Cone strain or with a bent downstream. Flame arrestor. Flow run. Utility lines. Future equipment. Electrical signal. Instrument pneumatic tubing, gas or air. Internal system link, software, or data link. Globe valve. Dual wafer check. Needle valve. Relief valve. Gate valve. And this is the end of Module 3. In the next module, symbology on instrumentation shall be discussed.